Yes. A cubical box has each edge is 10 centimeter. Edge means what? Side. And another cubical box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Okay. Two things you have to find. Which box has greater literal area and by how much? Second, which box has smaller total surface area and by how much? Two things you have to find out. Okay, we have one box is cubical box and one is cuboidal box. Cubical box side is given to you, that is A, and cuboidal box L, B and H is given to you. Let us come on to find what is LSA of cube. LSA of cube is, what is LSA of cube? Think it. That is, yes, 4 into side square. Very good. And what is LSA of cuboid? LSA of cuboid is 2 into H in bracket L plus B. Come on. LSA 4 into side square means A square. Okay. So 4 into 10 into 10. This will be 400 centimeter square. Getting? And then for cuboid LSA 2 into H in bracket L plus B. That is 2 into H in bracket L plus B. H is your 8, L plus B 12.5 plus 10. So this is your 16. This is your 22.5 divided by, if I remove this, this will be 10. Okay. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. What will come? 8 5s are 40, 4 is here, 8 4s are 36, 8 4s are 32 and 4 36 centimeter square. And what will be the difference? Difference is what? 400 minus 360. 400 minus 360. This is your 40 centimeter square. This is answer of first. Okay. Come on for the second. You have to find TSA of cube and cuboid both. TSA of cube is 6 into side square and TSA of cuboid is 2 into in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Come on. 6 into side square, 6A square. What is A? A is here given directly 10. 10 into 10. This will be 600 centimeter square. Then after, what is TSA of cuboid? 2 into in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB is what? 12.5 into 10. L is 12.5, no? 12.5 into 10. Then BH 10 into 8. HL 12.5 into 8. Then what will come? 2 into. This is 125. This is 80. And if I remove this, this is 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. This 25. No? And 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. This is 2500. Then what will come? 2 into. This is your 125 plus 100 is 225. And 225 plus 80. 225 plus 80. This is your 305. This is 610 centimeter square. Then what is the difference? This is greater. So difference will be 610 minus 600. That is 10 centimeter square. This is your answer. A small indoor greenhouse entirely of glass pans held together with tape, it is 30 centimeter long. Herbarium in the shape of your cuboid. Okay, because LBH, three things here given to you. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high also. Two things you have to find out: what is the area of glass, and second, how much of tape is needed for all 12 edges. Come on here, L, B and H is given to you. Okay, you have to find area of the glass. Area of the glass means TSA you have to find. What is TSA of cuboid? 2 into in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Here 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. I have to put values only there. Come on. 2 into what is LB? 30 into 25. BH, this into this. 25 into 25. HL, 25 into 30. 2 into 25 into 30 is 750. This is 625 plus 750. When you add these 750 and 750, 1500 plus 620, 125 more. This is 2125. 2125. If I multiply it, you will get 4250 centimeter square. This is your first answer. Answer number 1. Second thing, what you have to find out? You have to find how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges. Okay, like this herbarium I have, one cuboid I have. Okay, I have to join this. Let I see how many lengths are there. See, this is top length, bottom and back top and back bottom. 4 length. And breadth how much? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 breadth. And height 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means 4 times length plus 4 times breadth plus 4 times height. So I can take out common 4. Then L plus B plus H. Come on here. 4. What is length? Length is your 30. This is 25 breadth. Height is also 25. So 4 into 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 30, 80. This is your 320 centimeter of tape is required. Question number 7. Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Okay. Then 2 sizes of boxes were required. One is a big boxes and other one is a small. Dimensions are given to you. Bigger one 25 centimeter into 20 into 5 centimeter, and smaller one is 15 into 12 into 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. First of all, you find total area, then extra 5%. Okay, if the cost of cardboard is ₹4 per 1000 centimeter square, then find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay, now we have one bigger box, another one we have smaller box. L, B and H is given to you. Here also L, B and H is given to you. Okay, what is TSA of one box? For bigger one, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Let us put the values here. 25 into 20, BH 20 into 5, HL 5 into 25. See what is coming? 2. This is 500. 25 is 100. This is 125. Then what will be 6, 7, 25. This is 1450 centimeter square. Okay. Then next one for smaller box, LBH is given to you. Put the values here. TSA of one small box 2 into LB 15 into 12, BH 12 into 5 and HL 5 into 15. Then what will come, just to see, this is your 180, 12 5s are 60 and 15 5s are 75. Okay, then what will come, this is 240, 310 and 5, 315. This is 630 centimeter square. This is TSA of one small box. This is TSA of one big box. This is one big box and this is small box. Then after, surface area of one box of each type. One box is of 1450, another one is 630. 1450 plus 630, this will be 2080. And what is given in the question? 5% extra for overlapping. So 5% means 5 upon 100 into, this is 2080. 0 to 0 cut. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. This will be 104. So 104 centimeter square this is. Then total surface area of each type of 1 boxes. Okay, 2080 was the area and 104, that is extra. Then what will be 2184 centimeter square is the area of each type of 1 boxes. Total how many boxes we have? We have to make it. It means 250 boxes. So you have to multiply directly 250 into 2184. Okay. And how much amount you have to pay? What is the condition given to you? Amount is rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. Okay. Then what will be the meaning cost of 1 centimeter square? 1 centimeter square will be 4 upon 1000. Okay. The cost of 1 centimeter square cardboard will be rupees 4 upon 1000, and total area it is given to you 250 into 2184. No need to multiply here only. You see, directly I can cut here. Okay. 0 to 0 you can cut. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. What is the last answer? 2184. Yes, question number 8 is, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all 4 sides and top of the car. All 4 sides and top of the car. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, by how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter? Of height is given to you this and dimensions are given to you this. Okay, it means what is given? L. L is your 4 meter, B is your 3 meter and height is given to you 2.5 meter. Okay, you have to find area of that cloth. Area of cloth is equal to area of 4 walls, area of 4 walls plus area of top, area of top. Area of 4 walls are 2 into h in bracket L plus B. It is clear. And what is area of top? L into B. Put values 2 into h. H is here 2.5. Okay, L plus B 4 plus 3. And here L into B 4 into 3. What is 5 into 7 plus 12? 7 5s are 35 plus 12. This is 47. 47 meter square. This is your answer.